Hello friends, welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today we are going to learn about some useful shortcut Excel keys. Okay, these keys are very useful in your day-to-day job. So let's start. First one is Alter plus H plus D plus C. Okay, what will happen after pressing these keys in combination? Okay, if you want to delete a column, okay, so you can delete it by pressing this shortcut keys. Okay, what is the shortcut keys? Alter plus H plus D plus C. For example, I am showing you uh, I write a sentence Rahul in column number E. Okay, suppose I want to delete that E column. Okay, what is the process to delete? First one is select this and right click, press right click, and then you can delete it. Okay, I am showing you all the shortcut keys. Okay, suppose you want to delete this e column, then you can easily do this activity by pressing these shortcut keys alternate. Okay, with combination. Okay, press alter H D and C. So please press alter H D and C. You can see the column has been deleted, right? Okay, so what is use of this shortcut key? To delete a column. Okay, next one is alt plus M. Okay, after pressing this both shortcut keys alt plus M, the system will refer you to the formula tab. Here you can go by clicking here. Okay, either you can also press the shortcut keys. Okay, suppose I want to go to the bar formula tab, so I need to press alt plus M. Okay, alt plus M, you can see that system refer me to the tab formula. Okay, great. To go to formula bar. Okay, great. Next is control plus 9. Okay, what will happen after pressing these both shortcut keys in your laptop or desktop? Control plus F9. Okay, this key is used for deleting a row. Okay, if you want to delete any row, then please press control plus 9 both. Okay, either you can delete by selecting this and press right click, here is the delete option, or you can also use the shortcut keys. Okay, I just want to delete this 4 number row, so I will press control plus F9. Yes, sorry, 9, not F9. Here you can see that selected row is deleted now. Got it? Great. To delete a row. Okay, next control plus O. What is use for of the shortcut keys? Control plus O. After pressing these both shortcut keys, you can hide any column. Okay, you can hide any column. Suppose I want to hide this D column. Okay, I will press Control plus O. Sorry, it's not O, it's 0. I am so sorry. Control plus 0. Here you can see H column is hidden now. Okay, great. To hide a column. And next one is Alt plus F. Okay, if you want to go to the file tab, then you can easily go by pressing this shortcut keys in your laptop or desktop. Okay, here is the file tab. Either you can reach here by clicking on it, or you can also reach there by pressing this Alt plus F. Just see the screen, Alt plus F. Here you can see that system has opened me a file tab. Okay, so I hope that these keys are very useful, and if you like my video, then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you, then please like, comment and share also. I will be back with a new subject to all of you. Okay guys, till that date, bye bye. Thank you.